Your girl Majesty, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video it's gonna be a story time. Now by the title you can see, yes, I prank with the police. Am I proud of it? No, but it happened, so let me explain. I believe I was around yes, let's just go with 6. I was around 6 and I had a phone. If you're asking why are you 6 and you have a phone, I was pretty mature for my age. And sometimes my mum would pop out and, you know, she was calling me to see if I was okay. But you can't judge me because today's kids have iPhones and iPads and laptops and all of this. So if I had a brick phone at 6, let me have a brick phone at 6, okay? But anyways, I had a phone, and that day I went to work with my mum, and she just put me in one of their meeting rooms, and I just sat there and I was just waiting, and I was playing the little snake game on my phone, and she told me if I needed her, just call her, give her a little call. So I got bored, so I called, but it wouldn't go through. And I kept on calling. I was like, why isn't it going through? It normally goes through, right? I realized now that I had no credit. Yeah, top up days. So I had no credit, and I still tried because I didn't know why it wasn't going through. So I still tried to get through, but it just wouldn't go through. So I saw this thing that said emergency. Now, back then, well, my young little brain then thought that emergency meant if you really need to talk to that person, then all you need to do is press the emergency and it's going to direct you to that person. So I thought if I pressed the emergency button, it was going to direct me to my mother. Did it? No. So this is what happened. So I pressed emergency and it was ringing. I heard the ringing noise. I was like, okay, it's going through. I'm going to be talking to mommy in no time. That didn't happen. So what happened was I got through to the police, and it said, do you need police, ambulance, or fire brigade? Huh? I need my mum. But did I say that? No, I didn't. I said I needed the police. Why? I don't know. I was 5. No, I was 6. 5 or 6. Did I say I was 6 at the beginning? I think I said I was 6. Yeah, I was either 5 or 6. I panicked, okay? So I didn't know what to say. And I didn't want to ring and then hang up on them and then have them calling me back and then thinking I was up to something. So I said I needed the police. So when they directed me to the police asked me what did I need. And I couldn't tell them my mum because I was already there with my mum. So I panicked and I said I need the police because there's a fire at London Bridge. Now I know what you're thinking. Why? Why did you waste their time? But like I said, I was 5 or 6 and I panicked. And, you know, I knew about the fire at London Bridge. So I just said there was a fire at London Bridge and told them to hurry up, please. And I hung up. But when I hung up, I was more paranoid than I was talking to them. Like, I was so terrified and scared. So I told my mum, she was questioning me. She's like, why did you do that? Blah, 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 blah. So apparently, I don't remember this part, but my mum told me that the police called back and she sorted it out, and she said she's really sorry. Yeah, I had a phone and I didn't know what I was doing, and she just explained to them what happened and stuff. But yeah, so I called the police around 5 or 6 and I told them there was a fire at London Bridge. I didn't mean to. I just misunderstood the emergency button. I didn't know it was gonna direct me to the police. I thought it was going to direct me to my mother because it was an emergency and I wanted to talk to her. Yeah, so don't worry, I know what emergency means now. And I used the 999 number for the right reasons now. But yeah, that was my story, and that's how I prank with the police. And once again, if you're a police officer, a fire brigade, an ambulance watching, I'm sorry. I truly am. And yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, be sure to comment, like and subscribe. And if you want more story times, I have a few on my channel. I also have a playlist for it, so go and check that out if you want to see what I've been up to. I have a few more when I was 5 or 6. You know, go check them out. And like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in another one. Bye.